Hi guys, this is Fatimira for Eliblam. I choose my podcast in Information Age. Learning target. At the end of the module, students will be able to define what is information age using a word cloud, discuss the history of information age, trace the development of the information age from the introduction of Gutenberg's press up to the era of social media. What is information age? Information age, also known as the computer age or digital age, is a period of human history characterized by the rapid development and widespread of the computers, the internet, and other digital technologies. It began in the late 20th century and continues to this day. Here are some key features of information age: digital revolution, global connectivity, technological advancement, social and economic impacts. What is digital revolution? The information age is marked by a dramatic increase in the creation, storage, and dissemination of information, primarily through digital technologies. For example, personal computers, the internet, smartphones, and social media platforms. What is global connectivity? The internet has connected people and information across the globe, creating a more interconnected world. For example, telecommunication infrastructure, social media, e-commerce, and cloud computing. What is technological advancement? The information age has witnessed rapid advancement in computing power, data storage, and communication technologies. For example, artificial intelligence or AI, blockchain technology, Internet of Things, and 5G technology. What is social and economic impacts? The information age has profoundly impacted society, transforming industries, creating new jobs, and changing how we live, work, and communicate. For example, job creation in teach sectors, e-learning and remote work, global trade and investment, and cultural exchange. The information age is not just about technology, but also about the way we access, use, and share information. It has led to new ways of learning, working, and interacting with each other. We are constantly navigating a world where information is readily available, and the ability to critically evaluate and use information is crucial.